we lose my memory. Just say I can't remember
Man, if he bloody well crashes into me, I'm gonna be so pissed off. Come on! Ah! We're here at this spot today. We have an awesome Nimi with us who is riding her Grom. She's at the hardest stage. Well, at least for me it was the hardest stage, balance point.
Know where you want to be, but you don't know where it is.
And you see so many people doing it all day and you don't know how to get there. It's very frustrating, but she's doing very well, and I have to say she's learning quicker than I did. Should we get Nimi to sit on the bike with you while you do a wheelie?
Okay.
That might help her. Haha! We have an idea.
Okay, go on. I'm Nimi. I'm today's crash test dummy.
If we do fall over,
Yeah.
and it'll probably be really slow,
Just stay where I am.
stay where you are.
So don't
And then
let go.
don't let go, and I'll
Don't
coax
drive
it down slowly if I have to. So when we pull away
Yeah.
or come to a stop, if I say feet down,
Yeah.
that means that you are the feet.
Okay.
You're the feet.
Shout it.
Feet down, feet down, feet down!
It's a lot of trust she's putting in now.
Feet!
Woo! How did that feel?
I like it. It is scary though.
Yeah.
Because I feel like, you know when your body goes left, I feel like putting my body to the left. Thinking, oh no, we have to go this way.
Well done, Nimi. Woo!
Exciting!
Did you feel like
Yeah,
balance point's quite big?
Yeah. And I did something just like the last 5 minutes of me riding. It's like automatic. I didn't know I was doing it. I was accelerating, braking, accelerating, braking. Before, what I was doing is just accelerating, coming off, accelerating, coming off. And then when I knew that I was going a bit far, trying to tap it and ending up squeezing it.
Right, come on.
Right, back to it then.
So Nimi, you just caught full-on balance point.
Balance point.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah!
one more shot. Give me one more shot.
Yeah! Oh my god! That was like your first half a circle!
That was an accident.
So full half a circle.
She's having a song, she's done it before.
Yeah, must be a pro stunt rider. Thank you for coming.
Hi.
Woo!
Hi.
So how were your wheelies today?
I feel like I learned lots and lots.
You looked like you learnt lots and lots. In the beginning of the day you were kind of just chasing it, and then by the end you were really, really high.
So let me summarise. The beginning was here and the end was here.
Yeah.
Bye everyone!
Bye.